Excuse me, I'm just trying to. Fucking Yanto.
What'd I do?
You're a fucking asshole.
Okay, I'll end it then. If you're gonna just... Okay, I'll end it. Well, over here arguing over it. I don't know what he was doing. Besides sitting with his broadcast. Why you always messaging?
Get your shit together. We need to go round again.
Why you always editing?
One shot,
Why you always
one kill.
editing?
Won't even hear
Oh
it
my
coming.
god. Stop editing. Look, we're in the winner circle. I'm holding I'm holding my knife like I'm about to kill a cockroach. Like, what's the point of this? Like, the old one was, like, absolutely perfect. You ready, Victor?
No. Throws have faster recharge rate, hip fire, weapon, equipment, and throw a grenade while sprinting. Alright. I said okay.
Just waiting on Victor.
I said okay like 3 times.
Waiting on... Halo. Stop pushing X. Hey, so what happened to our workout regimen? So what happened to the workout regimen, Victor?
Free for all.
Regimen. I don't know. He just stopped. He just stopped the bike. So I was like, okay.
Green light. Green light.
Good luck. Cause insanity is fucking hard, dude.
God damn.
That wasn't. It's an auto shotgun. It's a shotgun.
Yes, it is a shotgun.
Shotgun.
It's a shotgun. You should have read your shotguns before you chose it.
That's a kill.
Told you. Trying to tell us we don't know the guns.
Why you always lying?
God damn.
But did you see that? Did you hear that?
I heard it.
The same thing.
Outrider down.
What is Lisa? Just take one of our guns.
Yeah.
What? What?
That lag was terrible.
Do you like the camo on mine? Are you serious?
UAV awaiting orders.
Apparently your face more to the left.
Deploy UAV in my AO.
You have a fucking UAV?
In the turn, sensors are capturing you.
Ah!
Outrider down.
I heard it from your mic and then I heard it from the
UAV departing AO.
Oh, that's
Can you
fucking
tell
funny.
that?
Can you smell that? Oh, that one was good. I approve. Ah! Where are you at?
Why is it harder to kill you? It does actually. Go. Oh, you went up there. Can't. Na. We're just digging around.
Oh shit, man, this is terrifying. I have 2 viewers. What's up, guys? If
I'm
you
like
don't
literally
like it,
digging
then
around,
adios. I don't know. I can't find anybody. Egg.
Yeah, that was pretty laggy. Where is everyone?
I don't know. I can't find anybody.
There's someone. There's someone. I see. Okay, I'm too far. Bye. I shot your head! I shot your head! What is that? I'm not even gonna aim for you anymore. Apparently you're immune to me.
That's a kill.
God damn. You gotten 1 kill out on it.
Right? 1 kill.
I meant on the gun, but gotta be a dick about it.
Dropped.
Ah! Were you following me?
Overwatch
What
now.
the hell?
Hey! I feel like somebody's fucking following me again. Okay.
Yep.
I hear something. I don't know where it's coming from.
Dude, you dead. Where are you? You were just here. You were just here. What are you shit about?
Really?
What? And I didn't even know they got freaky. Bye bye.
Holy shit. You obviously don't know Amy.
Outrider KIA.
Oh wow.
They fuck. Nice. I guess.
Why are you so
But then again,
interested? You fucking weirdo.
No, I'm not interested because I'm not so confused. I didn't know Amy did that.
Well, you obviously don't know Amy.
I don't. I never got to know that side of her. Good thing I didn't.
Dude, I love doing this. What? What?
Hi.
Really? What? I'm dying because I'm so shocked about that.
Shut the fuck up.
I'm trying to process this. Did she get knocked out pretty bad? Damn, man, she didn't stand up to what she said. See, that's what's bad about Rhonda too, is that she's like a hothead. I gotta get back into this game. Right? Where is Luisa?
I'm like, what the hell?
Outrider.
Oh, that's
KIA.
right. We have lives. We have lives. I forgot.
Have we killed her that much?
We killed her 10 times. There's just the two of us, but I think you're gonna win.
I'm gonna lose. That was bullshit.
The hell happened here? I look at the wall. What the fuck happened? What'd you try to throw at me, man?
No!
Either the grenade was gonna get you, or
Right?
I was.
That's
You
why
were
I...
screwed. You screamed bloody hell.
Yes.
I think that's all my lives. Nope, I still got one more.
Nope, you got one more, cause if I'm still alive, you should be alive.
Oh shit, that scared me. The fuck are you, Victor? Where you at, Victor? Oh shit! Hey, watch it. Just watch it. You'll understand. Right in the head. I'm surprised your brain didn't explode. Alright, let's do this.
Get out there and get the win.
Oh shit. I wonder who that was trying to shoot me with a sniper and shit. Fucking Nieto.
Luisa, just take away Black Ops from him, please. Ooh, shit.
Shut out.
I got headshotted. Nasty.
No! Fucking babe.
I like how he doesn't scream hard whenever you kill him.
What the fuck?
Instead, he calmly just disagrees with the fact that he died by you. Oh, well, I just saw Victor run by to the blue car, so there's that.
That wasn't me.
That wasn't me.
Oh shit!
Threat neutralized.
Told you. Hi.
What the fuck?
I threw your body off that. I'm gonna die. I'm gonna die. I'm gonna motherfucking die. I already know it. Like Luis is like right behind me. I already know it.
Time to root shit.
Your gun will be the death of you. Where is everyone? I want a piece of this.
I don't even know what's going on, man.
bitch. Ah!
What a lag!
That wasn't even lag. That was legit.
It lagged on my screen. Like, out of nowhere, you killed me. That was bullshit.
I don't know if you saw me.
Overwatch down.
Oh shit, dude, these mannequins are...
Oh, what the fuck?
Damn it, Louisa. Whew. Just take it. Oh shit.
Hell yeah!
Watch that. Watch it. Watch it. We hit the wall, dude. Hit the wall.
Fuck yeah! That's going on YouTube.
That's a
Oh
kill.
god. Where'd you come from?
Shot out.
UAV, ready for deployment.
How am I losing?
Sensors have captured your objective.